Bao, my friends, I am Maya Rambata. It warms my heart to meet you. Once upon a time, the Roma invaded my homeland of Sundari. They thought us savages, weak and in need of their help. Ha! The Zamboko kings summoned the spirits of our ancestors and ran the white man from our shores.
See that boy there sitting with me? That is Alejandro, my friend. He is Telorim. His people are priestly kings and queens, much like my own. He was so sad that day, afraid to tell me he was Navari. I could not stop laughing. He was my brother, that boy, and now I am gone. He is lonely. Say hello to him when you see him. He needs a friend.